I am having 2 eggs with some cheese on it and one of those Evergood hot link sausages. It's really early. I got up early today and I am feeling hungry. I'm gonna have a Powerade with this too. Maybe not the whole thing, but I'm gonna have some. So I made 2 chaffles. I have one Evergood hot link sausage with a slice of American cheese, some relish, and mustard. I guess I'm having kind of like a hamburger hot dog kind of thing. But that's what I'm gonna have. It's 3 o'clock. I have not felt hungry all day, so I'm gonna eat now. I have this humongous salad. It really just looks big because it's in a bowl plate. But it's half a bag of this Good and Gather avocado ranch, and I put half of the dressing on there, some cheese, red onion, and I added some spinach dip. I did this yesterday for dinner and it was super good. I know it sounds weird, but the spinach dip just goes really naturally with the other ingredients because it's obviously a vegetable. And the spinach dip dressing kind of thing adds a nice flavor. So anyways, that is what I'm gonna have for dinner. It is 5:20. I have 2 of my mozzarella ravioli kind of things. I have ricotta cheese and some white onion chopped in there. And then I'm going to top it with a little bit of a garlic butter sauce and have that as my breakfast. It is 6:50. I am having some broccoli with sriracha. I put a little bit of tempura sauce and garlic salt. And then I have one of the better with cheddar sausages. I don't know. No gizmo. I don't know if I'm going to want another one, but I'm just going to play it by ear. So that's what I'm going to have now. I have 2 shrimp tacos here. I had one already, and I'm planning on probably having one more, but this is going to be my dinner. It's 5:45.